Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to add a virtual desktop on Windows 10. Virtual desktop is a brand new feature on Windows 10. Before I move on, I would just want to give my YouTube channel a quick plug. So if you want to click on the subscribe button here, I've got lots of content already, and if you want to like, subscribe, share my videos, that'll be absolutely fantastic. So currently I've got my YouTube channel open up here on Google Chrome, but I've also got up the my Creative Cloud version of Adobe Photoshop. So I've got those two opened up on my original desktop or my desktop one. There is an option to switch desktops, and that's what's called a virtual desktop. So if on your keyboard, to access this on your keyboard, if you click on the Windows key and at the same time click on or press the tab button, it will take you to another screen, and on that screen it will give you an option to switch your desktops. So currently I've got desktop 1, which you currently saw, and I've got desktop 2. If I click on desktop 2, you can see on desktop 2 I'm already working on a PowerPoint presentation on how to stay safe on the internet. So that's on desktop 2, and I've also got Google Chrome with the bbc.co.uk website opened up here on desktop 2. So that's a virtual desktop already opened up there. So if you're doing lots of different tasks, it's useful because you can multitask and switch between your desktop without having your desktop getting cluttered along the way. So if I go back and press on the Windows key and at the same time click on the or press the tab key, I've also got a desktop 3. Now if I click on desktop 3, and when you can see Microsoft Word 2016, blank document there, because I'm going to be working on a Word document there. So obviously you can see no other window has opened up here on my desktop 3 other than this Word document here. So it reduces the clutter on your desktop by opening up lots of virtual desktops there. If I click on the or press the Windows key, tab, and click on the tab button, there is an option of opening up a further desktop just in case you want to do some more work. So that's a fresh desktop screen there. If I wanted to open up or do some other work, I can do without cluttering up my PC or desktop there. So if I press on the Windows key and the tab button, go back to my original desktop 1, I've got the ability to switch back to desktop 1, and that's my original YouTube channel there. If I do that one more time, Windows and tab button, and there is an option to delete my desktops as well. Obviously I've just opened up desktop 4, I can delete desktop 4 there, I can delete desktop 3, but I'm not going to because I'm going to be working on a Word document anyway. I've got the option of deleting desktop 2 and desktop 1 as well. If I go back to desktop 1, and we are back to our original desktop there. So that was a quick and easy video showing you how to add a virtual desktop, how to go or navigate between your desktops to to try and minimize the clutter if you are multitasking, if you are doing a lot of work at any given point. So that was a quick video there. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe and share.